next to me. Plus I heard an officer arrested me. Cold weed and cold drinks, that's the motherfucking recipe. Nigga, and we roll deep, deep, so deep, deep. It's going down in this bitch. Creep, we gon' party all night. No sleep, tell the owner them is all my guys. So tonight everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The bitches, the hotel, the weed is on free. Get high, me so high, we don't see all the sweet. Cross on the level, but you don't need your own key.
4MDX89. Siri, call 911.
Calling emergency services.
Recorded line, where is the emergency?
Hi, I just had a hit and run.
Okay, a car hit you and drove away?
Yeah.
Okay, where did this happen?
This happened on... What's the name of this street?
Are you by the school? Do you see the big school?
Yeah, I'm by Selling Street right now. But
Sync will attempt to call 911. If you wish to cancel the call, please hold the phone button. A 911 assist call is being placed. Sync will speak first to the 911 operator before opening the line. Please wait.